Alright guys, so tonight we're going to teach you how to connect your Cadillac Escalade garage HomeLink to your home garage. And so I'm reading this right out of the owner's manual here. And so let's just start off with this. The garage door HomeLink buttons are up here. There's 3 of them, as you can see, 1, 2, and 3, these 3 little dots. If you have it brand new, then these are all fresh, but if you bought this car used, somebody might have synced their garage door to this to some of these buttons previously. So what you're going to want to do is first reset all these buttons and clear whatever's stored on there. So to do that, what you want to do is hold the 2 outer buttons, 1 and 2, and this little red light will shine in this little home logo. Joe, can they see that? Crap, I let go. Do you see this? There's a little outline of a house with a little dot inside. Do you see it? And if you hold both buttons, it lights up red. And the manual here says you should hold it for about 10 seconds and it should start flashing red, indicating that everything that's been previously stored has been cleared. Do you see it blinking now rapidly? Can they see that? Alright guys, so after we've wiped out all the previously stored codes, the next thing you want to do is grab your home garage door remote, and what you're going to want to do is whatever button opens your garage door at your house, you want to put your finger on that, and also pick one of the buttons up here that you want to program this to. And what we're going to do here is press and hold both of the buttons down simultaneously, and what's going to happen is this little red LED in this little house outline will start flashing. And at first it's going to be very slow pulsing, and then it's going to become very rapid. And once it becomes very rapid, you can let go. And the manual says this could take up to 10 seconds, so we'll just go ahead and hold here. You can see, and it's rapid, so now we can just go ahead and let go. Okay, so for this next step, what you're going to want to do is actually grab a ladder and climb up to the power head in your garage. And there should be a some type of program, learn. What does this one say? This one says program set button. And all you're going to want to do is hold it for about 2 seconds, and some type of light should start flashing. Yeah, for us, a purple light has started flashing, and you're going to have about 30 seconds to go back into your car and proceed to the next step. It really helps if you have 2 people doing this at once, but after you've pressed that button, you're going to want to run back in here, and whatever button we programmed this garage remote to previously, you're going to want to come in and press and hold that button for 2 seconds and let go, 2 seconds, let go, 2 seconds, let go, and it'll sync itself with your garage door, and that's it. Alright, well guys, that's all there is to it. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you guys found this entertaining, and I'll see you guys next video.